Welcome to today's 10-minute lower belly fat burn workout. No equipment needed, beginner-friendly, and we'll go through 2 rounds of 6 powerful moves. Stay with me until the end. That's where the real results happen. Crunch down, exhale, and feel that lower belly engage. Don't quit early. This is where the burn begins. Twist and reach. Keep your core tight. Imagine sculpting your waistline with every rep. Lift with control. Don't rush. This move is the secret to targeting stubborn lower belly fat. Side to side, keep your shoulders lifted. Push through. You're halfway there. Stay strong. Small kicks. Keep breathing. This is where the magic happens. Twist, crunch, and give me your best energy. You've made it this far. Don't stop now. breath. Round 2 is where the real burn kicks in. Stay with me, don't drop out now. Crunch deeper, push harder. Second time through, your muscles know what to do. This is the push that makes the difference. Final challenge. Don't quit. This last push is what sets you apart. Great job! You crushed this 10-minute lower belly workout. Remember, consistency beats intensity, so repeat this daily and watch your progress. Subscribe and join me tomorrow for more fat-burning moves.